How to make a photo collage on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the shortcuts application on your device, and just in case if you don't have the shortcuts application, then you can simply go ahead and open App Store and download the shortcuts application. Shortcuts is the inbuilt application of iPhone. So once you have opened shortcuts on your device, simply tap on the gallery option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the search option you see there and search for photo grid, and then tap on the plus icon you see there in the photo grid option. And once you have tapped on the plus icon, the photo grid will be added to your shortcuts. So tap on the shortcuts option on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the photo grid option automation, and once opened you will be led to your photos. So simply go ahead and choose the photos that you want to make a grid of and then tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and with this the process for photo collage will begin. Once ready, you will see the photo collage, so you can then tap on the share icon you see there and then tap on the save image option you see there in order to save the collage to your iPhone, or you can also tap on the markup option you see there if you want to add markup to the collage. Once done, you can go ahead and open the Photos application on your device, and with this you will be able to view the photo collage that you just made from the shortcuts application. So this was about how you can make a photo collage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.